In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to index your Wix website and pages on Google. Having your website indexed is crucial because it allows Google to recognize your site, making it possible for your audience to find you through relevant search results. Let's walk through these steps together to ensure your Wix site is visible in search results. First, you'll need to start by accessing your Wix dashboard. Navigate to the Setup section. Here, you'll find all the foundational settings for your site. Once you're in the setup area, your next move is to click on Settings. This is where you can make adjustments that affect your entire site's operation beyond just the visual interface. It's important to familiarize yourself with these settings because they are essential for controlling how your site communicates with the web. Next, direct your attention to the Site Domain and SEO settings. Clicking on this will open a new domain where you can specifically manage the SEO settings essential for indexing. This part of the process is crucial because it's here that you tell search engines about your site, how to treat it, and establish its credibility online. Now, proceed to click on the SEO settings option. This is a pivotal step. Having the right SEO settings helps optimize your site's visibility on search engines like Google. These settings include meta tags, sitemaps, and more, which advise Google how your site should be indexed. Keep in mind that SEO is not a set-it-and-forget-it task. It requires consistent updating as your site changes or grows. Before you click on the Let Search Engine Index Your Website button, it's important to note that you should have a custom domain. A custom domain is essential for building trust and credibility with your audience and search engines alike. It also simplifies your web address, making it easier for people to remember and visit. After ensuring all these configurations are correctly set, and you have a custom domain, you can confidently click on the Let Search Engine Index Your Website button. By doing this, you're signaling to search engines that your site is ready to be crawled and indexed, ultimately making it searchable to your potential visitors. Once this process is complete, your website could start appearing in search results. However, remember that indexing is not instantaneous. It can take some time for your site to be crawled and indexed fully by Google. In the meantime, continue optimizing your site's content for the best results. The final step is to click on Show Site. This will take you back to your live site where you can see any immediate changes you've made along the way and continue developing content that keeps your audience engaged. Thank you for following along with this process to get your Wix site indexed on Google. Be patient, stay consistent with your updates, and you will see your site grow in visibility over time.